How to add music to your Facebook Messenger notes. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to add music to your Facebook Messenger notes. If you've ever wanted to share a song or just a portion of it with your friends through Messenger notes, this video is for you. So to add music to your Facebook Messenger notes, first things first, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in Messenger, you'll notice your friend's notes at the top of the screen. Next, tap on your note, which is located at the beginning of the Notes section. This will open a new screen. On this screen, look for the music icon below your profile picture. Tap on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can choose your music. Now scroll through the list of songs or use the search box to find a specific track. Once you find the song you want, tap on it to add it to your note. From here, drag and select the part of the music you want to include in your note. You can choose your favorite part or the part that best expresses what you want to share. Once you're happy with your selection, tap on Done at the top. Now, in the Share a Thought section, you can add a caption to go along with your music. Once you've added your caption, simply tap on Share at the top of the screen. And that's it. Now, your note with music will be visible to your friends on Messenger. By following these steps, you should be able to add music to your Facebook Messenger notes. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.